The coronavirus can suck my little donut holes.
One thing that the coronavirus cannot stop, it's never gonna stop that. Selling a roll of paper towels, 20 bucks, let me know. Pay for shipping, you. Find the good lighting. What's going on today, Bread Gang? How are you guys doing? I'm starting the video off today at Mag's Upholstery. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. That was a great hello, or oi to my people down in Brazil. Oi. Today's video, it's a touchy subject that we're touching on today, but I think I haven't seen it much on YouTube, and we're gonna touch on it today. I mean, there's no better way to put it. Coronavirus. It is what it is. I mean, I don't really know what to say. We're gonna jump into it a little bit, but tonight's gonna be kind of an interesting video, and I wanted to start it off here just to shout out my guys over at Mag's Upholstery. Link is in the description below. If you need anything upholstery wise and you're in the Atlanta area, custom embroidery, all that great stuff, check out them on Instagram, DM them, message me, whatever you need to do, I'll get you in contact with them. But I'm gonna roll the intro real quick. I'm gonna run home and get changed. I just got off work, came over here for a minute, and I will see you guys when I get home. We are going to the store tonight, and literally it is March 13th,
Friday the 13th.
Friday the 13th, 2020. It doesn't get any just crazier of a day than today is. And people's, I've been seeing in the news, people getting wine bottles smashed on their heads. I mean, the coronavirus is sweeping the world, and it's getting pretty hectic, and we are gonna dive right into that chaos tonight. So stay tuned. I hope you guys are excited. I will see you at home. You gonna say bye?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
That's what I'm talking about.
Well, Bread Gang sticker. So I've been seeing stuff all over social media about people getting wine bottles broken over their head, fights, just all kinds of crazy, stupid stuff because of this ridiculous mess. But we have decided on a place. There's a Publix right down the road, but we figured Kroger might be the better option. Kroger seemed like maybe the best bet. It doesn't, I mean, the parking lot's pretty packed, but it's a nice Kroger. We might need a cart. Get in the car. This one. Not that one. This, no. That one. That's the one. Maybe not that one. This is the one. All right. Where did she go? Now that's kind of bad. I don't know where she went. So we made it into Kroger. It's definitely not as bad as I thought it was. All the videos you see on Walmart about Walmart and stuff like that, they have like this. What are you doing? Why are you looking at my butt? They have this like idea that Walmart, and I'm sure there are some Walmarts around very, very populated places that are just a shit show right now, but Kroger's not really that bad. Look, you can actually, look at that. You can see us on the, I'm filming me, film them, film us. That's weird. Having a cart is like so convenient because you can like set it down into the cart, walk around and grab stuff, something here, something there. So we got a bunch of the essentials the other day actually before all this craziness happened. A bunch of toilet paper, paper towels, water, all that great stuff. All that stuff is selling like crazy, so I'm selling a roll of paper towels, 20 bucks, let me know. And I will,
You mean toilet paper?
No, both, 20 bucks.
No.
You pay for shipping, you watching this video, you're paying for shipping, 20 bucks. So let me know what you need, but we're gonna get some of the essentials. I know I've said essentials like 10 times. Medicines, rice, pasta, you know, SpaghettiOs. I know you like SpaghettiOs, right?
We're not kidding.
I'm getting SpaghettiOs. We're getting SpaghettiOs. I don't think she's gonna let me get SpaghettiOs.
No. Look.
I'm getting SpaghettiOs.
No, we're not.
Y'all like this stuff?
Pedialyte.
Pedialyte?
Good for you.
Was it?
Electrolyte.
I don't like that stuff. It looks like medicine.
It doesn't taste like medicine. First.
You can't see the...
You should get some Depends in case we run out of toilet paper.
I think my coworker said that him and his wife couldn't find any toilet paper, so they're just gonna keep a bunch of like rags and washcloths and just buy Depends. Find it out. I don't think he was being serious, but...
Yes, the Depends are sold out.
Oh, look, on a serious note, I need you guys to know that this is no joking matter, but the title of this video obviously says the coronavirus can't stop this, and the one thing that the coronavirus cannot stop is us getting this bread. It's never gonna stop that. I'm just having fun with this video, I hope you guys know that, but this is a serious matter, but we like to bring a comedic relief to the matter, because I think people are overreacting by just a smidge, a lot actually, so we're having fun with this. I know it's a rough time, but keep the spirits up. Paper towels, toilet paper, well that's paper towels. This was toilet paper, all gone. Nobody touched the Easter stuff. Bunch of savages, man. To support all customers, we will be limiting the number of clothing solutions.
There's nothing here.
But there's, yeah, it's all gone. Can we get some Easter candy?
Fine.
Really? Wow. What an angel. Come on. Put it in the basket.
So cute.
All right, okay, all right, okay. All right.
Oh, good shit.
Crystal.
Hot.
You think so?
He looks like you.
Well, I mean, he is a pretty good looking guy. I want you guys to know that we've been in Kroger for about 20 minutes now and have gotten no food in the buggy. We've gotten some ibuprofen, some Pedialyte, some like wipes, and a unicorn. So we are making no progress right now, and that's kind of how these trips to the store go. We throw it all into the, oh no. Hold it. We're supposed to like.
My spirit animal.
What the is this sorcery?
No.
No, that's weird. Nope, okay, I'm done. I'm done. What up, peeps? No? Oh, sorry, okay. Do we have any ranch at home? We need one.
Get the big one.
The big one. We don't need the big one.
Yeah, we do, because we'll end up buying more anyway.
We'll get this one. No. Oh, all right. The big one. I'm thoroughly upset. We're writing a letter to corporate about how Kroger's does not have Crystal hot sauce. What the hell? No, I'm not so upset because we did get the Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo sauce. I guess that will have to do. Cinnamon, best one. Oh yes, the key to my heart. If you guys don't like original applesauce, this is random. I like it. Finally, what we came for. Actual food, even though there's not much left.
One chicken.
Green beans, couple.
You want soup?
I'm not a big soup guy. Gotta eat something. You are right. Beans. Look, that is so amazing. All the macaroni and cheese is gone except for the unicorn ones.
So can we get some?
We can get all of them. Yes, absolutely.
All of them?
Not all of them. I'm joking. There's literally nobody's touching the unicorn ones. That's amazing.
I want the unicorn ones.
We're getting at least 2. All right. No more Chef Boyardee. Look at these savages. Absolute savages. They took all of the SpaghettiOs with the meatballs. What's wrong with it? And they left the originals. Freaking savages, man. I'm gonna have to get the Franks. Ooh, they got some with the. We got a can opener, don't we? Yeah, we do. There's like, I'll get 3 of them.
Why don't you get the ones with the...
It's got to be with the meatballs. Oh, look. Right there. I found it. That's it right there. Take some of these.
You look up, there's one of those.
That one's got the hot dog. All right. Spam lovers out there? Anybody?
No.
You like spam? Black pepper. Made with bacon, turkey, get some rice. What kind of rice do we want? No more jasmine. Beans, Spanish, whole grain, cheddar broccoli, roasted chicken, cilantro lime, creamy full cheese. What's this? Garden vegetable. What the heck? They took all the good stuff. Where? Oh, wow.
Just grab like 2. Or they have...
Still upset about the Crystal hot sauce, even though
No.
they have the Taco Bell mild sauce.
That's neat.
I'm still upset about the Crystal hot sauce. Thoroughly upset.
But they have Valentina, which is
Valentina's
better.
good, but it's not Crystal, man. It just,
I know, it's better.
I'm disappointed. It's not as good as Crystal. Kroger has no Crystal hot sauce. Kroger does not carry Crystal hot sauce. My mom is upset. Kroger. Upset.
Oh, but we should get deli meat.
My guy right there, an angel among men, refilling the bread aisle. We get this bread. Coronavirus will not stop us from getting this bread. All the milk is gone.
Nobody likes milk.
I like milk. I like whole milk. Look at it, just wiped clean. You know, all the wine is still here though.
Perfect.
All the wine is still here. Look, just right in front of us. Perfect. Frozen pizza? Gotta get some pizzas, come on. I'd rather get actual pizzas instead of pizza rolls. They got the Tostinos. All the Tostinos are gone. Jeez. Animals. There's animals out here.
And then...
Yeah, these are the ones we got the other day.
I want to try this.
Look at them. Ooh. Look at that shirt. I love that shirt.
You want some chicken?
Chicken's gone.
Any treasures? We have the dino buddy.
Look, there you go.
Dino buddy.
Right all the way in the back, buffalo chicken. Right there. I saved you, little buddy. I got you. I don't know what was over there, but that's all gone.
No, we don't need
Ice cream. No ice cream? Okay. Bread. Because we get it. TMZ, what are you getting?
some of that good.
Okay. I guess they don't sell the Boston Market mac and cheese by itself anymore, which breaks my heart. They only sell it like with the Salisbury steak. They need to sell it by itself again. That was the stuff right there.
Look how many people like left their stuff.
Is that what that is?
That's what it looks like. Because the lines are too long.
Yeah, it's gotta be. People leaving their stuff, that's crazy. Lines aren't as bad as I thought they'd be.
They were earlier. Yeah, how about you?
Good. A few moments later.
This like, how close are you to my face?
Not that close.
I just want to see. Okay.
Oh my god.
Look. Look.
Hold on. Ready?
Yeah. This coronavirus stuff is bad, but it can't stop us from having fun with a lifted truck. So it's been a while since my truck has been in the mud at all. you gotta let the 375. Get out.
All right, well, coronavirus can suck my little, what is it? My little, no, what did I call it the other day? I called it something. Yeah. The coronavirus can suck my little donut hole. So I'll see you guys next time. Let's get this break.
Get the spread.
Is it gonna focus on me? Is it? Say hello. Freedom_F150. Follow my man right here. We're not gonna do that today.
Dude, it's pretty damn wide.